Has anyone watched the film Her with Joaquin Phoenix and Scarlett Johansson? Or Blade Runner 2049? I found these two films absolutely fascinating. Today, I'm delving into the buzz around AI's disruption of love and relationships for 2024. Is it truly shaking things up, or is there more to this story? It's plain to see that there's definitely a place for AI to help certain people. Say those individuals who are painfully shy, quite introverted, or emotionally challenged in the dating realm. Imagine having a virtual girlfriend appear in front of your eyes and having realistic dialogue with them. Now that would be life-changing. But here's the reality. We are not quite there yet in the technology sphere. Can AI replace human connection? Can it truly understand your deepest emotions? You need to know the real story, so stay tuned. Artificial intelligence is everywhere, and it's making promises it can't keep. Sure, AI is great for convenience, but when it comes down to the complexities of human emotions and relationships, it falls short. The big question: is AI ruining our chances of finding love? Let's talk about dating. The dating landscape has become a digital labyrinth with endless scrolling, swiping, and ghosting. AI promises to fix this with advanced matchmaking algorithms, but here's the shocking statistic: 65% of online daters report feeling more isolated and more anxious than ever before. Can AI really save us, or is it making things worse? Take Sarah and John. They met through an AI-powered dating app that claimed to understand them better than they understood themselves. But is their happiness a result of AI, or is it just pure luck? Can algorithms really capture the magic of a human connection, or are we just fooling ourselves? Now, AI is stepping into the realm of relationship coaching. Imagine this: a virtual counsellor available 24/7, giving you advice at the tap of a button. Sounds perfect, right? But here's the hard truth. AI lacks empathy, and its decisions are only based around objective data and algorithms. It can't feel your pain or share in your joy. Yes, these AI tools can spit out quick tips and conflict resolution strategies, but they really can't understand the heartache of a breakup or the elation of true love. That's where real value of a real human being comes in. AI is being used for self-love and personal growth. There are countless apps promising personalized meditation, affirmations, and self-care routines. But can an app truly understand your journey? Here's a shocking fact. Users of self-help AI apps often report feeling more disconnected from their inner selves. For instance, apps like Mindful Mate use AI to boost your mental health, but it's not just about following algorithms, it's about real human connections and understanding. We all face relationship challenges. AI tools are trying to help, but here's the reality: AI can only go so far. An app might help you express your feelings better or suggest ways to reconnect, but it can't replace the nuanced, empathetic guidance of a human relationship coach. Think about it. Would you trust an algorithm with your deepest relationship issues? Or would you rather have a real person who can offer genuine empathy and tailored advice that builds upon your unique life experience? Let's not forget the ethical minefield AI can drag us into: privacy breaches, emotional manipulation, and data security are real threats. Here's a jaw-dropping stat: 78% of users are unaware that their personal data is being used by these AI apps. I've brought in some experts to lay bare these ethical concerns and expose the potential dangers of relying too heavily on AI for our emotional well-being. So, while AI offers some incredible tools, here's the bottom line: it can never replace the deep human connection you get from a real relationship coach. A professional dating and relationship coach provides personalized, empathetic support that no AI can ever match. I'm not against AI at all. In fact, I use AI that's been specifically trained on my own curated material to assist my clients. The tech can really help with more simple questions and dialogue. It's especially great for helping to arrange calendar meetings. This blend of technology and human touch ensures that you get the best of both worlds: personalized advice backed by cutting-edge technology. But always remember, the human touch is irreplaceable. Looking ahead, AI will continue to evolve and integrate into our lives. But remember, while technology can enhance our experiences, the core of our relationships will always be human. Trust, empathy, and real understanding come from human connections, not objective data and algorithms. It's an exhilarating time of change. I'm here to guide you through this new landscape, helping you uncover true love and lasting happiness. Together, we'll embrace the future and seize the opportunities it brings. So there you have it, the raw, unfiltered truth about AI's role in love and relationships for 2024. While AI can offer incredible tools, the deep human connections and personalized guidance of a relationship coach are irreplaceable. If you're feeling lost, lonely, or just need someone to talk to, reach out to me. All links are in the description. I really appreciate your support. Comment down below with the word 100 so I know you have watched the entire video. Now, if you enjoyed my chatterings, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.